Good morning, good morning. Okay, okay. Good morning. Good morning to all the future millionaires. Wake up, wake up, wake up. It's pre-market talk. Talking stocks. We talking this $3 trillion budget. Who's paying for it? We talking stocks. Yes. Let me cut that off before this whole stream about to get it's probably getting paused right now by YouTube, but um, yeah, sorry YouTube, but Drake is my favorite. Yeah, we're talking stocks. I honestly wasn't even gonna stream today, but I seen a video and got motivated. It's one of those days, so we're gonna get to it. We're gonna get to it. I'm definitely gonna stream tonight. I just got a burst of energy by watching one video. Shout out to the Nelk boys. Um, but yeah, if you're interested in joining the investors Discord chat, we are live on Discord on a daily basis. A group of investors looking to build generational wealth, which means we all have the same goal, and we're always sharing resources, and we're having daily financial conversation and talking about stocks, talking about forex, all types of things. Shoot me a DM on Twitter or on Instagram. It's a lot easier for me to get you the link that way. So shoot me a DM. I'll get you the link, and we'll figure it out that way. Um, Aside from that, have y'all seen the $3 trillion? The 3 trillion, 3.5. Hold on. We're gonna have to, cause y'all know who's paying for that. I hope y'all know who's paying for that. Oh, that wasn't the right thing. I need to blow. I hope y'all know who's paying for that. Well, we are gonna pay for it. Our kids are gonna pay for it. Our kids are gonna pay for it. So, all right, let's pull this up real quick so y'all can get the. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go on Twitch tonight too. I think I'm gonna go on Twitch tonight. So tap in with me one way or another. We'll get to it. Damn, I can't. You know, I just hope this $3.5 trillion bill really brings some benefits. Make sure y'all out there drinking y'all OJ and T mix. I'm gonna be quick on today's stream, briefly talk, and I'll get back on later tonight on Twitch. Let's see, CNBC, House Democrats. I hope y'all can see this. Yeah, y'all can see that. House Democrats clear path toward passing $3.5 trillion budget bill and infrastructure plan after breaking stalemate. I think that still it won't even. I believe it won't even get to a decision until like October, November, if I'm not mistaken. But wow, pushing it forward, 3.5 trillion to expand social safety net without a vote from Republicans. Oh man, I mean, I'm with the tax increases, but some of the stuff they're spending money on is just like, what? What are we doing, y'all? What are we doing? Let's see. Has anybody read this? Like, they try to bunch it up so, like, I don't know. I feel like they try to make it boring so that no one, like, actually reads into it. But another 3.5 trillion, we're so much in debt that I don't even know. And I don't even think anybody knows the answer. I think that's the crazy part. No one really knows what's going to work because this is the first time. Like, this can turn into a disaster, ideally. I would hope not, but that's the reality. It like capital gains, they're gonna chew away capital gains. So obviously that affects your everyday investor. Um, if you own stocks, if you own real estate, if you try to buy and sell real estate, they're gonna chew into that. If you try to buy and sell stocks, they're gonna chew into that. I'm sure they're gonna get ready to chew into crypto very soon. Um, honestly, like when you put it into that perspective, crypto might be the best option right now. And I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not saying that you should be buying crypto, but you should definitely be increasing your position or thinking about it at least because at this moment there's no regulation on Bitcoin right now. Yeah, you do have to report it, but there's no the regulations are very like there is no regulation on crypto right now. So you can do all types of trade. You can make quick money. Um, I think me personally, I'm gonna be continuously taking my chances on Bitcoin. If you're part of the Discord, um, you would have known what I did yesterday. So, because we share these are the type of things we share in the Discord, um, and it's free. It's a free chat to be a part of. Ugly ass, ugly ass. Let's see what we got for headlines. Wall Street is chasing stocks higher. I don't know. I'm gonna keep it 100 with y'all. I was looking at pre-market, um, watching Bitcoin heavy right now, 47.5. I think this might be a decent price to buy in that. We'll look at the Bitcoin chart shortly. Let's see. Wall Street's chasing stocks higher. Let's look at hold up. I just seen in the Coca-Cola. Let's pull up the TD chart. I gotta start finding a way to put the TD chart on the. I guess I can screenshot it and put it on, but it's not like real time. Like this is real time. When I show you on my phone, it's oh shit. It's 7:30 in the morning, y'all. Give me a break. So we got some red, some green. It's looking like a Christmas. It's looking like a Christmas party right now. Red and green, or Gucci, however you want to look at it. Nothing is down crazy. Nothing is down crazy. Nothing is up really crazy either. As far as on my watch list, I got a bunch of stuff on my watch list. This isn't my main watch list, but this is just like a watch list. Yeah, nothing is sticking out. Everything's kind of the market doesn't know where to go right now. This is this is the weird part that I don't like about the stock market is you get that weird feeling like the market don't know where it wants to go. The market does not know where it wants to go. People don't know right now. You know when they know? If the market drops, they know to buy. If the market goes up, they know to sell. When the market just bounces, it's like an uneasy feeling. You don't know if it's gonna go up, sideways, forward, down, back flip. You have no clue. It's like that anticipation when you're on a roller coaster and you hear the ticking, tick, 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 tick. Like you see it, you see the structure, but you don't know what's really gonna happen. Anything can happen at that moment. That's how I see. Like that's the moment we're in right now. I was surprised to see Vail down like within the last few weeks. I'm glad I sold. I would say I sold Vail at its high point. I did. Yeah, 22, 23. I sold Vail at its high point. I think it was 23 when I sold my shares of Vail. I might get back in, to be completely honest. I made a quick buck on them. I bought them right before they shot up. So that's a decent stock to look for. And that's their minerals. Minerals? Yeah. Producer of iron ore, pellets, sorry. Key raw materials. I said minerals, materials. My bad. Still making a producer of nickel. which could be very big for the EV market. There was actually some rumors. I can't remember if it was this year or last year of Vail being bought out by, or not being bought out, having a deal with Tesla. Because Tesla was trying to build their own battery. Nokia is back above $6. Another happy moment. I like this position we at right now with Nokia. I want to see it play out. Because we also have to. I mean, Nokia's back at its, highest points of, in the last 5 years. Holy snap! I didn't see that. See, this is. I don't even know. Let me see if I can pull this up on. I can pull this up. How can I not pull this up? I'm tweaking. Okay, I want y'all to see this. This is the type of stuff that I just keep in my mind when it comes to. I don't know. Like I feel like. See, this is why I feel like a correction's coming. I hate to be that person, cause. Okay, we're looking at Nokia. I want to make sure y'all can see this real good. Y'all can see it good. All right? 5-year Nokia. Y'all see that? 606. Now, so in 2017, holy crap, from June, holy crap. Hold up. To October, it ran up. Damn, this is the swing that we're in right now. I hope not. And then, okay, so that was a high point. 2018 again, high point 610. 2019 660. Ooh. That's an interesting point. You gotta look at these trends, y'all. But we're moving up. I mean, in the last year, moving up. Did jump up. This was a scary, but everything's showing just exponential growth. I mean, minus the blimp, just exponential growth. I don't know though. I don't know where they go from here. I don't know if they get back up to highest point of like $8-9 that they were at one point. Damn. I didn't realize that. See, when you see stuff like that, you're like, okay. Every time they've got up to these points, they've made their way down. The stock has made its way down, and then prior got its way back up, but still made its way down. Are we at a high point? Are we at? I've had to learn my lesson, the hard way, and that's trying to. Some stocks, all they got is about 30% growth in that year, and then they lose. They probably could lose like 15 to 20 and then maybe gain another 30. It's happened to me. I've had over 40% in a stock. And I'm just there like, yeah, nah, yo, this is going to be good. Like, woo, just seeing that, you feel all happy. And then all of a sudden you wake up one morning, you didn't get the memo. People like me and you, we don't get the memo. We wake up one morning and then all them gains is gone. Like every single gain is gone. So it's definitely a risk here, for sure. Because all these gains, the 30% that I hype about and that I get happy about and proud about, I could lose that. But even though I trimmed some of my Nokia. So I trimmed some of my Nokia when it was like 32%, 33%. Still at 30% with the rest of my shares. Yeah, that was a very great call I made on Nokia. Shout out to me. I made some really great calls uh, that I'm proud of this year. Nokia, first and foremost. Coinbase, Chewy. Um, I want to say GNUS, but I can't say yet. Like I'm gonna let the results. I'm gonna let the results show for GNUS. So that just might take a little bit of time, but I want to say GNUS as well. Um, but I'm not a financial advisor, yo. I'm not telling you. I'm not saying yo go get GNUS. It's just I see what I see. You may not see it. This is probably one of the only. I consider this a penny stock. This is one of the only penny stocks that I'm even entertaining, and strictly because they create content. Entertainment company. Okay. Yeah, let's see. Ain't much to say on here, but let's see year to date. Year to date, I mean green. They trucking. See, I want to sell. I want this thing to shoot up to like. It has the potential. I feel like when you think of content, content has all types of potential because it's the streaming numbers that you do, and then the toys, and like it can expand into a whole nother level. Yes, they got to get there. They definitely have to get there, but some things you got to see. You got to see a diamond in the rough, and that's what I see in GNUS. I think that although this is a little bit higher than my buying number, um, I'd only share my buying number in the Discord chat, which you can get the Discord chat link if you shoot me a DM on Instagram and Twitter. I got it right above. Mad easy for y'all, lazy mother effers. Make sure y'all liking this video if you're watching. God damn it. Make sure you're subscribing. God damn it. Make sure you check me out. I'll be on live again tomorrow morning. God damn it. Um, shoot. Now let's get back to GNUS. Yeah, if you're in the Discord chat, I'd be able to share to you what my buying number is for GNUS. But this is a little bit above it, but I still think that this is a decent price. Um, I like GNUS, man. I mean, they're up 37% year to date. Are they at their highest point? I don't think so. Could they go lower? Of course. Of course. They could be down here. In 2020, they were 30 cents. Damn, that's crazy. That'd be a crazy drop. 2020, they were 30 cents. Wow, that was a crazy stop. Went from 30 cents to $5. 5.94. Let that 5.94 happen now. But you gotta invest. It's like I look at Genius Brands like not a professional, a more it's what I'm trying to do with a bigger budget. Like they have the budget and they have the personnel to create cartoons and to do deals with Shaq and stuff like that, and Arnold. Um, so they're producing content, and you don't see that money come in right now. Yeah, they're not going to be profitable right now. They're investing in the content, and then they go. It's like a movie. It's like when you produce a movie. Movies are like $1 million. To shoot a decent movie, it's $1 million at minimum. Nobody sees no money until after it hits the movies or it hits the streaming platforms, and probably got to wait a whole nother quarter after that. So you're looking at probably 6 months before seeing any dollars when you film a movie. So I see Genius Brand as the same thing, and that's more of a long term play for me. 15% up, 15% on the year, down 3% in the last month, up 6.5%, 7% damn near in the last 5 days. Yeah, I bought it. I bought it when it went down. I bought the dip on it. Um, I think this is just one of those stocks that I'm either gonna sink or swim with it. I think you have to just like the AMC boy. Shout out Mario, man. Shout out everybody in the chat, the Discord chat. He mentioned AMC to me, man, yesterday in the chat. And yo, I just really need to know, is this the right AMC? Oh man. Shout out to Mario. Cause I gotta be honest with people. Like I'm not one of those people that's gonna I'm not with the hype. Um if I don't believe in something, I'm gonna tell you straight up, man. I ain't gonna fake like I'm with what you saying. If I'm not with it, I'm not with it. I'm gonna tell you, and I may not see it like how you see it, so I may ask you a question. So I brought it up in the chat yesterday. Any sleeper stocks to watch, and my man Mario mentions AMC, and which Mario's the man. I know. I give him his flowers. Um, but I just don't see it. I don't see AMC. Like I don't even see like what are they trading? How many forward times earnings are they trading? Let's see. Let's pull them up. Let's pull up AMC on my TD. They're probably like 50 times earnings, probably like 100 times earnings. Let's see. AMC. I just don't see it. Like I don't like. I'm all about investing in stuff that's gonna change the game, and it just gets hard for me. Oh, I already have AMC. It gets hard for me to really understand like what are you what when you're investing in AMC, what are you investing in? Like what is it? Is it just that you hope for it to go crazy, or is there something that you really see? Okay, negative 1674. So, damn, let me see if I remember this. 07 divided by negative 16. What did I say? 3404? 74. Almost 30 times earnings. 29.33. I just don't see it. I don't get. I don't like someone please explain it to me. Please share in the comments. Give me something like what did I you can't be looking financially. You can't really be looking financially, can you? Like because a lot they're premiering movies at movie theaters for a week before they start hitting the streaming platforms now. Before, in a week they're on HBO Max or whatever the platform is. And yeah, I'm sure these movie theaters are getting a cut now. They're getting a cut now, but you think these platforms and these people that are producing these movies are going to be dragging these movie theaters along for the next 20 years, 10 years, for the next 5 years? I don't see it happening. That can be when the correct like it can they can literally we can have a whole nother like dip in the market, crash that, and they can be completely crashed out. Like it can happen. One more Delta remix, and that's it. Like, who's going to? Are people going to the movie theaters? Rocketed higher today. You see how they be hyping? Oh, they up 18%. They up 18%. Yeah, I mean, you gotta give it to them. They're up 18%. Let's see. Like, son, why can't the Reddit squad hit Nokia? Why can't the Reddit squad hit like my stocks? You know, hit Nokia, hit Jumia, you know, hit Canopy Growth. Why y'all? Ah, it's sickening. I'm not trying to sign up for no subscription. These article websites are so annoying. Like, what do people see in GameStop? I don't know. I'm trying to figure it out. Like at that point, like if that's what I'm looking into, I'd rather be in crypto, man. No cap. No disrespect to nobody. I'd rather be in crypto. Actually, I wanted to show y'all. Let's look at the ARK Invest. I hope y'all can see this. Let's look at the ARK Invest. What they invested in. First name greatest, like the sprain ankle boy, ain't nothing to play with. Stay off them crates, y'all. God damn it. People wild out here. Sorry, I just had to make sure y'all could see it. So obviously, if you invest into ARK ETFs, you would know about signing up to get the reports. They have to, by law, um, because they're a publicly traded ETF. They have to share this information, which is what stocks they're buying, what they're selling. I own ARK K, I own ARK G, I own ARK F, but there's other ARKs. But I wanted to go through a few of these. ARK K. So, and I gotta commend Kathy because she's just ruthless. Like when it comes to buying, don't leave nothing on the table for her. She's picking it up. No, whatever the price is, she's picking it up. She don't care. So she bought for Arcade. They bought DraftKings, Fate Therapeutics, Soaring Eagle, Signify, Invitae, and they sold Ceres Therapeutics, Nintendo, Shopify, and Square. She bought 1.1 million shares of Soaring Eagle Acquisition Corp. What the hell do they do? Who is Soaring Eagle? You gotta like. Okay. Strong growth prospects, attractive evaluations. Okay. Okay. Soaring Eagle. SPAC merger with promising synthetic. Alright, that's a SPAC. So I don't know. I'm not too fond on SPACs right now, but I'll put them down on my watch list. This is what I'd be looking at because you gotta see like, ooh, what are they buying into? Why are they buying into them? $9. It may be worth it. Maybe worth it. Maybe worth it. They came out in June. I want to see a dip. I'm gonna watch them. Thank you, Kathy, for this. Is how sometimes I get put onto new stocks when I'm watching. When they double up, when they do 1 million shares in something, I'm interested. Like I see they're getting close to the DraftKings. I actually sold some DraftKings, but I might buy it in my TD portfolio if we get a dip. See, I feel like I have to choose between investing in gambling, and investing in cannabis, because they're both a damn gamble. Woo! It's early. I'm actually about to check out in 4 minutes, but let's go over this ARKG, another ETF that I highly believe in. Pfizer, they bought. Fate Therapeutics, they bought. Adaptive Bio, they bought. Quantum, they bought. Personalis, I don't know what the hell. 908 Devices. This is a small amount, 650 shares. CM Life Sciences, Repair Therapeutics, Dynamic Special. They sold a bunch of boring stuff. Nothing special here. This is one that I really believe in for long term for sure. ARC F also bought DraftKings, also bought Zillow, Teladoc Health, Coinbase. See, like this is why I don't know if this is good or bad. This is the only thing that I get confused about. She'll be buying like Teladoc Health in a financial technology ETF. And I get it, it's really about returns and money. So maybe them buying this ETF will boost the year over year returns. Um, so it could be a money thing, but it just creates a little confusion in my head. Yeah. The only one I really see that she keeps it 100 with is the genomics. Like it's all health stuff. Some companies I don't even know. That's why I just buy the whole ETF. Um, but this is good to study. This is good to study. Some stocks on here that I'm watching. Coinbase. I've always loved Teladoc Health. I just have them in ARCG, so I don't buy them directly. But I like ARCF and ARCG. ARCF very affordable, I would say. I'm not a fan of the other ones. I just don't know enough. But yeah, let's see. We're getting 8 o'clock, y'all. Let's see. We're getting 8 o'clock. Read up on the $3.5 trillion bill that's going to pass. May have some effect on you, on your portfolio. Your portfolio may be able to gain from it. So a lot of due diligence to do on your end, y'all. That's nothing new. Y'all already know the due diligence is always needed on your end, and without that, nothing's gonna get done. So, with that being said, I'm gonna just finish off by reminding y'all that I have the Discord investors Discord chat going on right now. If you're interested, shoot me a DM above on my Instagram or Twitter. I will give you the link to join. We're just a group of investors looking to build generational wealth through sharing resources and having financial conversations daily. I'm going to be on Twitch today. I know I said that, I always say that, but I'm going to be on Twitch tonight, so make sure y'all check me out. I'm going to put my Twitch link in the description. Make sure y'all also support, like this video, comment your thoughts on anything I said, share it. Y'all know what to do. I appreciate y'all. Have a great rest of y'all day. I'm praying for y'all stocks to do very well today. It's looking spooky though. If I'm gonna keep it 100, 1,000, I see a lot more red is creeping in already. As you can see, a lot more red is creeping in. So y'all be safe. Do your due diligence. Do your trades. Do your studies. Do what you gotta do. Make this money. Future millionaires, we out of here.